Well, I think my hideout trade is going to be Pfizer drug. Listen, it was down 2% today. I'm not going to say it outperformed. Everything was obviously down. Steve talks about it all the time. Actually, 93% of stocks were down today, which is worse than usual. But I still think there's some upside in healthcare. I think valuations are reasonable. I think their pipeline is very good. And the fact that the stock has been on a rocket ship since President Trump tweeted about him a couple months ago about prices says all I need to know. It's very similar you saw with Lockheed Martin. When he became president, I think Pfizer goes higher from here.
Hideout stock, Target. I mean, they're doing the right things fundamentally. I also like who their customer is, and I think they're not really paying so much close attention to the Fed dots, and I think that the consumer's strong. I know wage growth, but it cuts both ways. People have more to spend, and they, too, have to pay more to their consumers, but to their employees. Altogether, though, I like in the valuation. I think it's attractive.
Well, for me, it's going to be a name you haven't heard in a while, Freeport Mac.
Oh,
and
wow.
It goes a little bit into Tom Lee's thesis that, listen, if we're going to get inflation, you want to be in some of the asset-heavy companies. But then let's take the other side of it and say, you know what? What if the Fed does pause? What happens? You get a weaker dollar. Gold, copper, those type of things go higher. So Freeport Mac, to me, is the place you hide out.
Basically, I had two. Pfizer was one, but GE was the other one. If you look at most of the day today, GE was in the green. So it was up positive on a down, colossal failure day. So when I look at it, it's up 23% in the last month. Now it's having price targets another 20% higher from here. Believe it or not, GE can be a hideout trade.